Yo, this thing is so tall. It towers over me. That's wild. He's 6 what? 6'4". That's crazy. All right, guys, we are at the Florida State Fairgrounds for the first day of Super RetroCon. Let's see what kind of goodies we can find in there today. Throwbacks. Oh, that's so good. Super dope. Oh man, this was that game though right here. Hopefully they turn it on. So this is Super RetroCon. It's pretty big in here. We're gonna get into some trouble today. Oh, I see a wild Humpty. He doesn't see me yet. That's Humpty with 2 M's. Yo.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Oh my God, you did the 3. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is so tall. It towers over me. That's wild. He's 6 what? 6'4". That's crazy. And this one's what, like 3 foot, right? 4 feet. And if I tap him, does he go down like in the movie? Oh, you did a gold one? Yo, this is like Christmas here. Yeah. Only $1? What? Poster secured.
Yeah.
Wow, talk about throwback. I forgot about that game. Jet Force Gemini. Super Bond. We got dragons for days. Rancor Skull, Gengar, Rockzilla. Roger.
This guy, I dedicated 4 of my top.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Actually, we don't have one with us here. We actually do a Halloween mix where it's like 3 hours of like Joe Buckets and like trailers and Halloween stuff. You can smell it.
Poster is insane. I think I have that paint already.
Let me know if y'all got any questions. And I'm also doing discounts on the sign there. You buy 2, you get 10% off, and then the more items over there, the more you save.
And he would be like, they would go like,
Fire. Rex, baby. Alright guys, day one was super cool. It was fun chilling with the homie Humpty and checking out all the vintage retro stuff they had. A lot of old school stuff from the 80s and 90s. So I did pick up a few things today. So as you guys saw in the video, I did grab those posters. So these are original posters from Taco Bell from 1999 for the Phantom Menace. So got these bad boys sealed for $1 each, which is ridiculous. Then we picked up a bunch of 3D printed stuff from my boy Humpty. So I'm going to put his info down in the description below. So we got from my brother a 3D printed Gengar. And you know, I had to grab one too, but mine is a little saucy. So mine is half gold, half purple. So these things are awesome. So we got some Gengars. And then I had to pick up all the Rancor skulls. So I got this bone color Rancor skull, and it fully like articulates. Right, so I got this color, the bone color. I got the white color. Right, so this one's just all white. And then I got, of course, the gold one. I had to complete the set, so get all 4 colors, all 3 colors actually. I had to get all 3 colors. So, love these things. My next goal is to get one of those battle droids or those pit droids. So Humpty, I'm waiting for you to mass produce those bad boys so we can figure out something. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.